Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about patterns. So a pattern are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We are going to look at patterns with shapes in our workbook this week. But you see patterns in clothing that we wear, maybe in some bedding that you have, different fabrics, or even in jewelry or necklaces. We see patterns all around us. This is a simple pattern using shapes. It starts with a square and a circle and a triangle, and then it repeats. It goes square, circle, triangle, and again, square, circle, triangle. So that is a pattern that you are seeing. So that pattern is happening in this screen 3 times and it repeats. Another example of how you can see patterns are maybe like this deck of cards. They have on the cards pictures that look like a face of a dice. So we were learning about solids in our last video, and a dice is a cube, and each of those faces on a dice would have different patterns like this. So you can see it started with 2, then it went to 3 dots, 4 dots, and 5 dots. Well, following this pattern, what would you think if these cards continued? What would be on the next one? You're right, it would be 6, and then 7, and that would continue again to 8, 9, and the pattern just could continue on and on. Another way that we're looking at patterns here is they're using letters of the alphabet. You'll notice that it goes A, B, A, B. So it's skipping every other time, A to A, and then B to B, how they have those dotted lines drawn. So you would know that the pattern in the next 4 boxes would go A, B, A, B. And that could just continue on and on. So that is another example. And then we've seen patterns in numbers. So here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. When we are skip counting, that is a pattern. We're skipping by 2s every time. So patterns are found in many different things. But in our chapter this week, we are looking at patterns with shapes.